First, I appreciate your support. So, a quick review on a top loader washing machine. So, this is an LG, one of the best models ever made. This machine here is around 15 years plus. So, this is the dashboard. So, this for selecting programs. You can delay the cycle if you want to spin only. This one here. Then there is the rinse. If you want to do an extra rinse, the wash, so it will show you when it's washing, it will do the wash, rinse and spin. And then if you want to put it on child lock, you press rinse and spin simultaneously for a few seconds. It will engage the child lock. Once the child lock is engaged, the dashboard goes dormant. And then water level, you can adjust water level. Like now it's on water level number 2 here. You can adjust whatever you want depending on which program you are doing and the amount of clothes in there. And then it has the hot and cold option for water. It doesn't have heating elements, but it has an option where you can directly plug in a pipe for hot water, and this one is for cold water. They are all indicated, cold and hot water. So if you want to put it on spin, you power it on and then you press the spin button and then you start. So it will immediately start draining water. And when you put it on wash, let's say you select a program of a quick wash, so it will wash. Let's press the start button. So it should wash and then it will rinse depending on the program. This one, a quick wash, it will do 2 times and then it will spin. And then if you open the door when it's washing, it will give you an error code. So they are fully automatic. So if you open the door, it will give you a DE error code. It means the door is open. So if you need to add something when it's washing, you just pause the machine and then you do your extra laundry, close it and proceed. And then one good thing with the top loader washing machine, you can easily add water manually. So let's say you don't have enough water coming in as a low pressure, you can easily pour water. Then the more you use it, you can easily determine the water level. So let's say when it's on 2, it's somewhere here. If you put let's say a duvet and you're doing let's say you put a duvet, you'll select a higher program and then you fill water to this level here. So it's easy, you can easily pour water manually. You can easily add clothes when the machine is still running. So the one thing with the top loads, they don't really easily hold water. So when installing, ensure the pipe is raised. If the pipe is not raised, what will happen is this: water will be coming in and then at the same time water will be going out, siphoning. So you have to look at that when installing a top loader washing machine. These machines are easy to operate and they are quite cheap compared to front loaders. They also consume less power because they don't use heating elements compared to the front loaders. But when it comes to how they use water consumption, I believe top loaders use more water compared to front loaders. Their drums are quite massive. And then let's say if this machine is blocked and it's not draining water, it's easy. You drain it by a process called siphoning. So let's remove this because I need to move it out. There we go. So you can manually drain water from a top loader by doing this. Just ensure the pipe is flat on the ground. So siphoning. This explains why we insist when installing such machines, the pipe should be raised to this level. Because if you don't, the machine will be filling water at the same time draining water. So you'll waste a lot of water, electricity bills, water bills. This is avoidable. But that is a top load for you. Then once you have drained all the water, this is the filter. You come open the filter. This is the filter. Let me show you how to open the filter. This is the filter. Now you see, that was a blocked filter. So if the machine is not draining, you can directly open the drain filter or remove water by siphoning. After the drum is empty, now you open this. So the machine cannot drain if it has all this junk. Something good about top loaders is blockages are rare, very rare. Front loaders are prone to blockages because of the distance, the space between the door rubber seal and the metallic drum. So things easily go into the drum. But the top loaders, they are made. If you check here, if you look here, the space is too small. So you won't get socks going underneath, clothes going underneath. But for a top loader, front loader, very, very common with blockages. So as easy as that. Lastly, you can easily adjust the water level. Let's say you're doing a single towel in there, and you had picked, let's say, a normal wash. So it's going to do level 2. So you can adjust this, you can change this. Come here. So let's power it on. Power it on. And then let's say we've selected, let's do a different program. Let's say like a quick wash. It's giving us 19 minutes. It's still doing level 2. So what you can do is you come to the water level here, you adjust whatever you want. If you want to put a higher level, you can put it to 3 or 4, or you can put to level 1 here, and then you press the start button. So easy to operate, easy to use, easy to maintain. Can you like, subscribe and share. I'm out.